Hello, everyone, and I'm absolutely very happy because I have with me today Dr. Hena Faisal. She is none other than rank 1 DNB June 2017. Rank 1. Heartiest congratulations,
Thank you so
Hena.
much, ma'am.
How do you feel?
Actually, this is a dream come true moment for me because I have dreamt of this moment and I have told my parents once I will go there and I'll sit beside you and give this live interview.
Wow, that is really sweet of you. In fact, it's our pleasure to have you around, and all Damsonians. I think they're very eager to listen to you. And to all of you, she is a regular batch student with us in DAMS Calicut. So she is doing her regular through the satellite.
Yes, ma'am.
And so Hena, I want to know from you first of all, how is your experience with the satellite classes with DAMS?
Okay, it was a very nice experience because Rahul sir and the entire team in DAMS are too good. They used to arrange the classes on time. They used to message us about the classes 1 week earlier.
Okay.
And everything is perfect.
That's so sweet of you. Okay, and with the, I think your course is still running around, right? You really haven't finished
I'm the February batch.
February batch. So with mid-year results coming to rank 1, I would want to ask: do you think that you've reached your expectations?
Actually, yes, but I have put myself down because my aim is NEET PG. So most probably I'll be going for that.
That is great. She's a very down to earth girl despite securing a rank 1. I think I seem more excited than she is, but it's a tremendous rank. It's not easy to secure rank 1, and so we would want to know from you, Hena, what goes into becoming a rank 1 in very competitive exams like the ones that we have now.
In my opinion, what you want to have is a strong base, because you should be thorough with your first year and second year subjects.
Okay.
Because this time DNB was entirely depend on that, so that I could give the entire 300 questions, and on top of that you should build up your other subjects. So that is my opinion.
So this is something that she is coming up, and it is very important. We as students have a tendency to divide things into major and minor, and then we give less time to minor things. But this is what we keep telling our students, that with the current pattern of exams, it's not really like a major or a minor. So you can't really say medicine is major and something else is minor. I think we need to give equal importance to all these subjects so that you can build up your rank. That is a very wise piece of advice. Thank you, Hina.
First know what is your weak subject and try working on it.
Okay. And Hina, just like you, a lot of other students have joined regular course with us. So they want to know what is your strategy of studying with the regular course so that you could achieve rank 1 in mid-year exams itself. I'm sure they're very eager to know that.
Actually, what I used to do was, we had classes on Saturdays and Sundays.
Okay.
So the rest I had 5 days.
Okay.
So first 3 days I used to study the subject which was taken in the last week, and for next 2 days I used to prepare for the subject coming week.
Okay.
Because Rahul sir used to put a pre-test and post-test for us. So I used to prepare like that, so that we'll understand more what is taking in the class.
Right.
So it will be more easier. And after finishing one subject, I used to do the DAMS CRS MCQs.
Okay.
And I used to follow up in Facebook the queries put by others and subject updates. So
very good. She's coming up with things on her own, which I plan to ask her subsequently. But yes, that is what I wanted to know from you. In fact, the students want to know. And they want to know that once you said that you first go with your theory and you try and read it up, and then how do you follow up your theory with, so that what kind of questions would you do?
Earlier days I used to do other guidebooks and all, but now I have started doing that because the DAMS CRS has plenty of questions, that too very recent questions.
Yes.
You should not waste time doing old questions.
Very important. Please listen to her, people, because when we tell you the same thing, you have doubts. But when a rank 1 is telling you that, I'm sure you're going to understand that despite being a rank 1, despite being, herself going to appear for NEET exams, she's giving these very wise tips to you people to help you around, and I think she has a big heart once she says that for all of you people out there, because not many people would do that, they wouldn't really tell what they do, so I think they should be thankful to you. Right. So you used to follow up with the MCQs on CRS, all right,
Okay.
and then
Then whenever I get free time and whenever I feel low, I used to log into the Facebook Dance
Okay.
Exclusive Club.
Okay.
And I used to follow up the subject updates, and I used to look into the queries put by other students and tried answering it myself. Then I look into the answer given by the teachers.
wonderful. So if I tell you what she is doing is she's trying to expand her number of hours. So she says when she gets bored or tired of doing the theory and the questions, that's the time that she used to switch. She used to log into the Facebook club and then again utilize her time much more effectively by seeing what are the constant doubts by other students, because majority of times, Henna, you would agree that the doubts that students have are quite the same,
Yes.
right? So it is good that somebody is filtering them for you
Yes.
and then you're using those doubts
Yes.
instead of spending the same time by yourself. So that's, yes, that's how we all should use the exclusive club that we're running, right? And she also pointed out on the faculty updates. So do you think that the faculty updates have been useful?
Yes, very very much. Because especially I should mention Diksha Sikri ma'am, because she used to make the grayest part of the pathology into the most colorful ones.
Yeah.
And it was very helpful.
That is great. So yes, a lot of times we've seen that we are getting direct questions from the faculty updates, not even in NB or DNB, but also in central institutes like AIMS and PGI. So you should try and follow up the updates, make it coherent with whatever. That's what she's saying. So she used to read the updates of subjects that she is reading. Am
Yes,
I right,
yes. At
Henna?
the same time, I used
Yes.
to do that.
So this is what is called as planning, people. So which is very, very important. You have to make your study very coherent, and that's how you're going to upgrade yourself to the next level. All right, Henna. Then Henna, I want to know that did you attend the visual session that we conducted before the AIMS through the satellite?
Yes, ma'am.
And was it useful
It was useful. Actually, I was not much prepared for the AIMS exam, but I pushed myself and sat in the class, and it was useful actually. And
Very
I
good.
could score a rank of 300 in AIMS.
That is amazing. So do you see, a lot of times I hear students coming up and they ask, ma'am, we are not ready for this. We will not give the exam. But this is something that you have to learn from the winners, right? And that's how they do, how they make, it makes winners a little different from others, right? So she's saying she wasn't really prepared for it, but she insisted, she forced herself to give the paper, even the mock, even the visual, and the main exam as well. And I'm sure it must have taught you something.
Yes, very
Right? It gets you ready for the upcoming exam.
Yes, it will give us a confidence, and we'll know what level we are standing.
Wonderful. That's great. And Henna, did you give the mock that we conducted before the DNB?
Yes, ma'am.
And was the mock
My rank
useful?
was yes.
What was your
my
rank?
rank was 85.
Okay.
So actually, I was hoping for a 2-digit rank, but 1-digit rank was like a
No,
jackpot.
you can't call it a one-digit rank. It is rank
I
one. There is a
know.
lot of difference in one-digit rank and rank one. She's a very, very humble girl, and that is what has brought you up as well. So this is great. And Henna, I'm sure that the students would want to know what was your revision strategy before the exam, because that's what confuses students a lot.
Okay. Since I'm a February batch, my entire subjects are not over yet.
Okay.
So what I did was, as a part of revision, I focused upon the last minute topics which I found it difficult, and also which are frequently asked in exams.
Very, very good.
So I
Yes.
focused on that, and it was really helpful, because this time DNB it was just the basics mainly.
Yes.
So I could very easily give the MCQs.
Wonderful. And now, since you've said yourself that you used to focus on the the topics that we repeat and your weak areas, which is what everyone has to learn. So can you tell the students, how do you find out these things? Because they would keep asking us, and in spite of us telling them a lot of times, I am sure they would love to hear it from you. So how does a aspirant find out what they are weak in, and what are the things that are going to be repeated?
It's actually a gut feeling. And also you can give the DAMS class test and subject wise
Very
test.
nice, yes.
Then you can score yourself. Actually, you can see which subjects you're weak in and which you are good at. So my opinion is spend some more time to your weak subjects, and it will be nice.
Very good. So that's what, she's saying you have to give papers for it, right? And once you start giving your papers, and then when you analyze your paper, that's when you realize that what things are we constantly repeating in the exams and as topics, because do you agree that we are not repeating the MCQs these days in the
Yes,
exams?
everything is new.
Everything is new, right? And therefore it is important that you find out what those key topics are that have a higher probability of being asked. And also once you give the test, you understand which subjects are you scoring less in, and you keep making a account of those, and you keep doing them. Great. And do you give the grand test, Henna?
Actually, initially I was so not at all confident to give grand test, but slowly I am coming into that.
Wonderful. So she's gearing up. And do you listen to the grand test videos, Henna?
Yes, definitely I do that.
And do you find them useful?
Yes, very useful, because many times you'll feel very low and not feel like reading something. So then we can easily listen to the videos, and definitely you will get 10 to 15 MCQs
Yes.
and related MCQs also from that.
That's great.
So I used to do that.
Okay, wonderful. And so we've asked her about her strategy, about her revision program, about where does she do the questions from. So she's also realizing, and she said she started with the guidebooks, but then she realized that it is a lot of wastage of time, and she's sticking to CRS,
Yes,
subject
ma'am.
test, and the grand test. Okay, and she's giving all the mocks, right? So that's amazing. Any last piece advice that you want to give to your fellow Damsonians?
Just believe in yourself, work hard, rest, give it in God's hands, because everything will come in place.
Wonderful. That's a very, very nice advice. And I'm sure, Henna, that, her family has a lot of support, because that's what brings one up. So I
Yes.
think we are very, very thankful to the family as well. And yes, do you want to say something? Please go ahead.
Yes, I want to thank my parents, because they were like a huge support for me. They were always encourage me and used to tell me you can do it. And thanks to my husband and my in-laws for supporting me, and thanks to entire DAMS team for making my journey easier.
Wonderful. And I think Henna is going to be someone that we girls would look up to. We keep saying this stops us and that stops us, but despite everything, she's done so well. She is and she's being positive about it, and I am sure she's going to do very, very well in the NEET exams as well. So let's wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for coming here, Henna. And so you can all listen to none other than Rank 1 mid-year exam, June DNB 2017, and listen to her strategy and what she has done to get this wonderful, wonderful rank. So it's all the best from everyone at DAMS.
Thank you so much.
And may God keep you always smiling. God
Thank you,
bless.
ma'am.
Thank you so much.